How to get more survivors in Whiteout Survival. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more survivors in Whiteout Survival. To do that, simply open the Whiteout Survival app. You can check on how many survivors in your troops. Here you can see at the top. Here you can see at the top that I have 3/4 survivors. You can add more survivors by building a hut. Now, let's create a hut. You can see that I have a survivor here. You can upgrade your hut so you can have more survivors. After upgrading the hut, you can see it leveled up, and we can add more survivors, and that's simply it. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.